Plant and animal tissue. Objective type questions. Put a tick against most appropriate alternative in the following statements. A group of similar cells to perform a specific function forms a organ, species, organ system, tissue. Answers is A. The small fine branches given out from the cell body of a nerve cell are dendrites, cytin, axon, neurons. Answers is A. Fluid connective tissue of humans is blood and cartilage, lymph and plasma, blood and lymph, stroma and matrix. Answers is C. Tissues to organize to form organ system, organs, organism, cell. Answers is B. In which of the plant tissues, cells actively divide to form new cells? Parenchyma, sclerenchyma, meristematic tissue, protective tissue. Answers is C. Which of the following tissues consists of dead cells? Collenchyma, meristems, parenchyma, sclerenchyma. Answer is D. Which of the following tissues is found in the lining of the trachea? Ciliate epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, columnar epithelium, squamous epithelium. Answer is A. Which of the following is not a kind of fibrous connective tissue? Areolar tissue, cartilage, tendons, ligaments. Answer is D. The non-cellular part of blood is lymph, serum, plasma, tissue fluid. Answer is C. The tissue in which the cells are filled with fat globules is epithelial tissue, adipose tissue, nervous tissue, areolar tissue. Answer is B. Thanks for watching. For more questions and answers, see next episode. Till then, goodbye.